there. Today we're talking about TaxScouts. I also have a discount code. You find it in the description for 10% off, and you only pay £107 for your tax assessment. So TaxScout is a service from a startup actually here in the UK, which as its goal really wanted to build a service that reduces the stress involved in filing self-assessments and tax returns. Not everyone has a complex tax return, but I do feel personally that is a topic that is stressful and that you want to have as much reassurance and simplicity as possible. Fundamentally, how it works is very simple. You sign up, they have a very simple sign-up process. And after that, you start your tax return for the year. They ask you a few questions, such as here's how much your income was last year, or have you had any charity? Have you made any charity donations, or did you have any foreign incomes, and so on. What I really liked about the service is that they automatically actually import a lot of information directly from the HMRC. As you can see here, they're one of the commercial suppliers that they work with. And so, for example, I could find all of my P60 information directly imported through the HMRC API. And so this saved me a lot of time because they already had a lot of information about my actual main income. And I just had to add any additional incomes or deductions that I wanted to add to my assessment. After that, you get paired with a tax accountant. That tax accountant actually reviews all the information, often asks you additional questions. They really want to make sure that you are getting the most out of your deductions. So they often, advise you on additional things you should mention or that you haven't looked into. They send you a final draft that you can approve, and then they send it directly to the HMRC for you. So the process you could do yourself, right, through the HMRC. I just found that the fact there is a professional reviewing your information and advising you is actually great. Reduces the stress and might get you a better deal actually out of your annual self-assessment. I also found online that a lot of people love this service, just like me, which I found very reassuring, and I've recommended this to many friends. Overall, the service costs £119, but actually you can get 10% discount by using the code that you find here in the description. And so you get it for roughly £107, which is a price I haven't seen around. I've talked with a few accountants before finding the service, and I believe they wanted £200 to £300 for self-assessment. I'm sure you can find cheaper ones, but I haven't found a service that is £100 or £107 and actually gives you this simplicity and this direct integration with the HMRC. So I strongly recommend, and please see the link in the description if you're interested. Thank you for your attention.